Waterfront. Your own personal lake with a remodeled 4/3 home with all the upgrades. Open floor plan with fireplace, new tile floors, bathrooms and kitchen, screen porch, front ranch-style porch. Metal roof approximately 3 years old. Gorgeous approximate 9 acre of landscaping on your own large lake stocked with tilapia. Image sitting on a hill looking at the lake from your gazebo, with majestic oaks and gardens. Not mention a 6-stall barn, studio, green pastures fenced and cross-fenced. 2 workshops, large separate shed high enough for parking a camper. Upstairs workshop possible. Second power pole, septic and well. No HOA, all in small town USA. 1 hour to beaches, Orlando, Daytona or St Augustine. Live here, relax and live longer. Photographer is awesome but even pictures don't do it justice. Property front entrance is on Lake Howell Blvd, property stretches across lake to Oleander. This road is on county schedule to be paved.